AI is already changing the way work gets done. But here's what I've noticed. Most professionals are using AI in a very surface level way. They open ChatGPT, type something quickly, get an average response, tweak it manually, and then decide AI is okay, but not great. The issue isn't the tool, it's the lack of structure. And that's exactly why we built AI Foundations at Alkemy. And this program is designed specifically for working professionals who don't want hype, they want capability. This is a 4-week, live, mentor-led program where we help you move from casual AI usage to structured AI implementation. We're not teaching coding. We're not diving into machine learning theory. We're teaching you how to make AI actually work in your day-to-day job. In week 1, we focus on how large language models function. You'll learn structured prompt engineering frameworks so you can consistently get high-quality outputs instead of guessing and retrying. In week 2, we apply it to real professional work, emails, reports, research, documentation, the kind of tasks you already spend hours on. And you'll practice this live during the sessions. Week 3 is where things get powerful. You'll design an AI-assisted workflow tailored to your actual role. Whether you're in HR, marketing, operations, finance, you'll identify repetitive processes and design a system that supports you. And then in week 4, we cover something that most AI programs completely ignore: how to verify outputs, how to protect data, when not to use AI, how to think about governance and bias. Because being AI capable also means being AI responsible. By the end of the program, you won't just know AI. You'll have a structured prompt library, AI-enhanced work samples, a research project, and a workflow implemented in your own role. You'll also graduate with an Alkemy AI Foundation certificate that reflects actual application, not just attendance. You'll work with tools like ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, Perplexity, Notebook LM, Canva AI, Notion AI, and meeting automation tools like Otter or Fireflies. But here's the important thing. Tools will keep changing. What we're really teaching you is how to think with AI, how to design systems, how to adapt, how to stay relevant even when the next tool launches. We also help you understand your growth path. The sessions are live and interactive. You get feedback. You build in real time. And we keep the batches intentionally small so that learning stays meaningful. Let me say this clearly. AI is not replacing professionals. Professionals who understand AI are becoming more valuable. The question isn't whether AI will affect your industry. It's whether you'll build the capability early or wait. If you're ready to move from experimenting to implementing, take a look at the program details.